wanted to show you something really quick that I think is awesome. You can delete all of the pauses and the filler words. So whenever I say, I can delete those. So you go in, you're in your text panel, you hit transcribe. That might take a couple minutes. Then you go into your filter, you hit filter, we'll select filler words, hit delete, and delete all. Watch down here. We're at like 25 minutes. And it cuts them all up for you, right? So we cut a bit off of that, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to go pauses, delete, all 94 pauses. I cut out like 5 minutes of stuff. That's so awesome. Oh, I love it. And so what I will be doing is I will go in and record stuff from the teleprompter. And if I make a mistake, then I just pause for a moment and then I go back and redo the line well. And then when I delete pauses, it goes in and it finds that pause, cuts it out. And so I just look at each one of those pauses, knowing that I've got a line that I need to go fix or something. Just to review, go to in Premiere Pro, go to your text panel, transcribe, and then once it's done, you click on filter, you highlight filler words or pauses, and then you click delete, and it just deletes and cuts it out for you. So awesome.